Hell yeah, boy. How you is? Hell yeah, boy. Man, this be Hank Johnson, Democrat, great state of Georgia. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah. What I would like to speak to you today about is a most important matter that my team has been researching. Man, they be a tiny little nation in the ocean, a little island called Guam. You know what I'm saying, man? Guam, man. Yeah, man, it's in the ocean. Man, they be 12,000 inhabitants on Guam. You know what I'm saying? And man, if all them peoples was to get displaced, you know what I'm saying, and have to move to all to one side of the island, like if there's a tsunami coming or something, you know what I'm saying? Man, that island will straight up tip over, you know what I'm saying? And then we'll have a major catastrophe on our hands, a calamity bigger than anything ever seen in the history of the earth. We talking about the deaths of 12,000 peoples. You know what I'm saying? So I just ask you to reach deep into your hearts and your pocketbooks, you know what I'm saying? And dig deep with some of your taxpayer dollars and hit me up at my office. You can Google that. Man, I be on Google. Man, I'm all over the internet. You know what I'm saying? So please donate some money to this most worthy cause. You know what I'm saying? And all you sexy ladies out there with y'all big, thick booties, y'all hit me up too. You know what I'm saying? Because we go out to the club and get our groove on. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, thanks for listening. This be Hank Johnson, man. Hank Johnson.